Peace, love, and light, healing through inspiration. How y'all doing? Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Daily uploads. You dig? If you guys want to book a one-on-one consultation, you guys can do that. We got the information in the description box. Below. But yeah, I just got out the shower. As you can see, box braid. Box braids, but I've been letting them get wet and whatnot. Been letting them, been letting them wear. I should say, I most definitely been letting them wear. What I'm gonna plan on is taking them out. But yeah, I just got the shower, so they're all wet. I've been getting my hair wet. You guys just saw. Got coconut oil. And I'm going to put some coconut oil on my hair. You know what I'm saying? And I like this look right here. You know what I'm saying? Because if you wonder why I wear them, this how you kind of get a look almost like, Bob Marley. I know Bob Marley's not original. He's not it's half-breed. But it's like, when you get the real original, like, you can get it looking like Locs. That's a better phrasing. You really kind of get it looking like Locs when you wear them. And you don't have to have locks. You don't have to have that commitment. So I noticed. And a shout out to everybody. Shout out to all my brothers and sisters, American brothers and sisters, who got locks and whatnot. Just, I don't want to commit to it because it's like, hey, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's so much you can do with the hair. I can get something that's close to it and not actually to it, but we all respect, our people who grow their own hair out their scalp. You're not supposed to cut our hair at all, really, because these are antennas. These are the knowledge. You dig? That's why I tell to the sisters, especially to the sisters. You are the only one, when you grow your hair out, it's viewed as a revolutionary act. You growing it out of afro, you just growing your hair out is viewed as a revolutionary act. It's not just hair. Your hair has power in it. It's not black. It's not black. Nothing in nature is black. You got to recognize your nature. Your skin is the same color as the soil. Your skin is the same color as the trees. And your hair grows as the trees. That is not an accident. And if you guys are wondering how much coconut oil I use, it varies on how much hair you have, really. How much hair you have, or how much your hair needs it. Because, this is plants being used on plants, most definitely. Sometimes if you have, like, drier spots, we're not using on there. But yeah, just moisturizing the hair. Yep. I like to get underneath there because I notice that needs oil more. Tends to need a little more oil there, or some attention, I should say. And then what I'm gonna use is some virgin olive oil. Rasta, new gangsta, whoa, you represent this slave master. I'm here to set the people free. This is my philosophy. Rasta, no gangsta, whoa, you represent this slave master. I'm here to set the people free. This is my philosophy. Hey, willy bang bang, willy bang bang, willy bang bang. Willy bang bang, willy bang bang, willy bang bang. You searching for my Rizla? Whoa. I don't know what the questions be about. But love ain't ugly, so let's unite and let the whole world know that Rasta, No gangsta, oh, you represent this lifestyle. I'm here to set the people free. This is my philosophy. Oh, oh, I love my hair. Look at it. Can y'all see that? Man, look at it right there. It's a core. I love this. I love the pattern, bro. I really do. I really love it. I really love it. I want to get my facial hair too. Gotta get your facial hair, fellas. You let it grow. Let it grow. You can see on my face, even when I detox, like I really don't even have pimples and whatnot on my face and beard. You're not even supposed to cut this hair. Not even supposed to cut this hair, you dig? Not even supposed to cut this hair. It goes there for a reason. You know, that's nature's way. That's why I say you guys aren't supposed to cut your hair at all. It grows there for a reason. And it grows back. It's almost like it was supposed to be there. But surely I don't know. It's cause my wisdom. Whew. Alright. What's up, y'all? Had to get my combs. You know, you guys know I recommend the wooden combs, most definitely. But when you want to get like wooden combs, you dig, but it's like this really ain't getting through too much. It's really not getting through too much. This is probably the best investment you can use on the top of your head, I tell you that. But it's like once you, and then you think you may get another one with the teeth. But I can't find any that have thinner teeth. Thinner teeth than this, or closer together teeth. Because I really don't really do it like that. Barely getting through all of it. You know what I'm saying? So, but this I do use, but this I do use the plastic part of it. Like do the bigger teeth first. One hand. And then I switch it because I'm doing from under the top. You know, some people try to rush it, gotta go slow because then you'll be pulling out your own hairs. Let's go slow. At least you do one on each hand, at least once. I feel like my facial hair is getting longer. Big difference. Big difference. Big difference, and I haven't even brushed it. I mean, combed it down, picked it down, what I should say. I love the pattern. See that? Then just brush it down. That's what I do with it. But today, we're doing something extra. But yeah, the extra, that was just it. But the extra was just the wooden combs, because I just wanted to share that. That's what was some of the extra. But if it can be extra, always in abundance, most definitely. But yeah, this is how you stay moisturized. This is how you keep yourself moisturized, keep your hair and skin healthy, You know what I'm saying? But yeah, if you guys want to know more, you guys can book a one-on-one consultation. Send us a DM on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration. You can send us an email at info@healingthroughinspiration. We got our courses down below if you guys want to start a business. If you do have a business, or if you do want to further enhance one, you just don't have one, we got that down for you in the description box below. We also got our one-of-a-kind artwork at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. And we also got our American apparel, American meaning shirts, originally forward socks, originally caps, bunch of great stuff down there. Make sure you guys go check us out. Hit the like, comment, subscribe button. Do that. Let us know what you think of this. And share this too. And share this with those who need it. Because, unfortunately, stuff about our hair isn't expressed. It isn't talked about too much. And not too people know. And they don't even know, just to grow it, and what it needs and what to give it. So, hey, I just wanted to show y'all you dig. Make sure you have a great one, y'all. Peace, love, and light.